welcome to our third part about exploring early mathematics with families. So if we have a quick look at the early math concept introduced in the first video, here is what we are going to focus on at least a little bit more today: geometry. So the first thing young children can engage with is noticing shapes and discussing their attributes. And we'll see that it's more than just naming the shape. So these are common shapes discussed often in preschool. So you may see a poster on the wall with the names of the shapes: circle, triangle, rectangle, etc. But children can and should take a step further and be exposed, for instance, to various types of a shape. Let's take the example of triangles. So this is a triangle, but these are two. These are all polygons. So an elementary child may talk about a plane shape or a 2D shape or a closed shape with three segments, the straight sides, and three vertices. The child may call these corners. So they may identify these shapes as triangle. But what about this one? Are they going to notice that the shape is open, so it cannot be a triangle? How about this one? Are they going to notice the curvy side? So asking the child what shape is it and how do you know will deepen their thinking around shapes. And it's fun to see what they have in mind. Let's move to rectangle. So this is a rectangle, and so is this, and so is this. Three rectangles. All three are polygons with four segments and four right angles. So what about a square? Well, if you look at our definition, a square is a rectangle, just a particular one, as all segments have the same length. So which shapes are rectangles? All of them, except the one with a curvy side. So young children can and should also explore that shapes can be composed and decomposed by other shapes. So quick example with the pattern blocks. So the yellow regular hexagon on the bottom left can be composed of 4 triangles and 1 rhombus, or 3 rhombi, or even another hexagon and a rhombus. So young children often enjoy playing with shapes, even if they may not know the name of what they are creating, but it helps also them build up another aspect of geometry, which is spatial sense. Young children start making a sense of location, direction, and relationship between objects as they build puzzle or construction, as they start, like rotate or flip pieces. And they also become aware of where they are compared to others or within their surrounding environment. And so for that, they develop at the same time their language associated with spatial representation. So in addition to increase their vocabulary related to shapes and size, they also add words related to position. I'm next to my friend, my book is on the top of the shelf. and direction. I need to turn to the right once I pass the library to go to the playground. So at home, I'm sure you've engaged in talking about shapes around us, and so I encourage you to continue to do so, and just be deliberate about it. Keep in mind, spotting shapes, and how do you know decomposing and composing shapes and spatial sense? What shapes do you see? How do you know? Where is your bag? So we have recently spotted large rectangles composed of smaller rectangles. But what are you going to spot? Just try to be precise. Sometimes we spot a shape thinking, oh, it's a square, but then you notice the curvy corners. But it's actually a great starting point to discuss attributes with your child. Precision is key in mathematics, and it's never too early to start. See you next time.